Okay, here's a walk around of our 2007 Audi A8 Quattro long wheelbase in, I think it's Phantom Black over obviously black leather interior. It's a little close up of the grille. Kind of see how nice that is. Little parking sensors as well. Fog lights intact. Doesn't look like there is any bumps or bruises in along the front. We'll look down the line. Obviously you can see the original paint still shines really nicely. Now, as mentioned in the email, somehow the guy managed to curb all four wheels. So that's going to be the biggest issue. You're going to find that rash in and along all the perimeters. But I think, like I said, that's probably the biggest cosmetic issue. You can look down the line on this paint and there's no variation. There's no, bumps or dents from any doors being opened up into it. Really nice overall. Just a little close-up of the gas tank door. Moving in along the back. Really nice around the tail lights. Got the parking sensors surround again right there. There was one bump, I think, on the back here somewhere. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that. Small little indentation right there. Really think that's the biggest cosmetic issue, aside from the wheel rash. Chrome is nice. Roof is nice. Door handles. Move inside. The driver's side door. Bose surround. I even have these WeatherTech mats in here, which is kind of a nice addition. You can see on the seat there's the driver's side controls. No wear in the bottom bolster. Little bit of wear in this driver's side outer bolster, but I mean that's probably to be assumed. It even has the original plastic coating on this from the factory on that little bit of trim right there. So we'll move inside. Steering wheel controls, good condition. No wear on any of the buttons. Go to the air controls and the seat controls. Obviously nothing as far as wear going on there. I have a key, so we'll go ahead and start her up. Push button start. Automatic screen pop up. And here are the controls for the rear window shade. If you want to look back there, that goes up properly, comes down properly. We'll go ahead and close this. See the mileage down there. Turn on the AC. AC's blowing cold. I'm kind of getting an idea of how much this guy cared for this car. It was one of the first things that he said when he called us and asked us if we were interested. He definitely wanted us to know how much he cared for his cars and how brandy new this thing was. So, see the Alcantara headliner. Move around to the back. So one of the window shades, rear window shades is already up. Just disappears right back in there. It doesn't even really look like anybody has spent much time in the back. I mean, you can see the seats are unworn, carpets are unworn, no marks on the backs of the seats. controls back here. Still, you know, none of the vent slats are broken. The knobs aren't sticky. Everything is virtually unused in here. You can open this back up. I mean, brand new. One of the other options on there are these vanity mirrors in the back. Lights working for both. Let's see, rear controls. Lights again, working on both. Go ahead and look in the engine bay. Oh, there's the original VIN sticker back there. Moving along to the back, we'll open up the trunk. Maybe you can't open the trunk from the key. Forgot. Car needs to be off. Original tool set. Probably never even taken out, who knows. And the main cargo area of the trunk. So overall, I mean, really the pride of ownership is pretty obvious as you walk around this thing. It's been very well cared for, meticulously maintained. Scanning those documents for you a little bit later today. And overall, probably one of the nicest A8s we've had in quite some time. So, let me know if you have any other questions.